I made him a Luhya spokesperson. To date, he has never, ever had even one single rally in Western Kenya. He's now convincing William Samoei Ruto to take him to Western Kenya. The question Kenyans are asking, whose meetings will be that? The one they have proposed on Wednesday and Fridays. Because he cannot attract even 50 or 60 or 100 people. I did it for him 2016 on 31st of December. Mamans, I filled Buhungu 1. BBI meeting, I filled Buhungu Stadium. And you remember vividly that Musalia and Moses Wetangula, they had said they will boycott. I told them boycott and go to Mumias as usual, as they normally say we are going to Mumias, where recently they had not even 1,000 people when the Buhungu Stadium was filled. However, his insecurities and his ability to exaggerate his law abilities in an attempt to paint an image of strong man has boomeranged on him, leaving him with an egg on the face as witness. That doesn't hit a tree twice. Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi will never send to the presidency. You can take it to the bank. This was shocking considering at a time President Moi left politics, Mudavadi was a shining star at that particular time, a star that he has never been able to recapture. Later, it is Raila who picked Musalia Mudavadi from the political cold to make him a deputy prime minister in the year 2008. The right person at that particular time who would have claimed this position from Raila would have been William Samoei Ruto. And that is where the enmity between Raila and William Samoei Ruto started. Because Raila had a light spot for Musalia, political spot for Musalia all over the years. Thereafter, Mudavadi continued breathing and serving on Raila's political oxygen before his catastrophic failure when he tried to contest for presidency in 2013.